Chapter 9 Kolkata, the City of Palaces. Learning objectives. We will learn about Kolkata, climate, transport, industry, and other features of Kolkata. Kolkata was earlier called Calcutta. It is also famous as the City of Joy. It is one of the 4 largest metropolitan cities of India. It is located on the eastern banks of the river Hooghly. It is the capital of the state of West Bengal. All the important offices of the state government are located here. The governor, the chief minister, and the other ministers live in Kolkata. Climate. The climate of Kolkata is warm and humid. It is neither too hot nor too cold. It receives pre-monsoon showers often followed by thunderstorms called Kal Baisakhi. Heavy rainfall occurs during the monsoon. The city is also hit by many cyclones from time to time. Transport. The transport system of Kolkata is somewhat different to that of Delhi and Mumbai. Howrah is the main railway station of Kolkata, which is on the western banks of the river Hooghly. It is connected to the city by Howrah Bridge. It is a cantilever bridge which is an engineering marvel. The bridge has been renamed Rabindra Setu after the name of Rabindranath Tagore, the great Bengali poet. The Vidyasagar Setu is another important bridge on the river Hooghly. There is also ferry service across the river. Sealdah is another prominent railway station of Kolkata. The city is well connected by rail, road, and air with all the important places of the country. Let's know. A cantilever bridge is a bridge built using cantilevers, that is, structures that projects horizontally into space, supported only on one end. The public transport system includes the CSTC, Calcutta State Transport Corporation, buses, trams, and metro rails connecting almost every nook and corner of the city. A tram is a unique public transport that is found only in Kolkata. It runs on rails fixed on roads and is powered by overhead electricity. Besides, rickshaws pulled by man are also found in this city. The Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport connects all the major cities of India as well as of the world. It is situated at Dum Dum in Kolkata. Industry. Agriculture and fishing are the major occupations of the people of West Bengal. Therefore, many agro-based and food processing industries have been set up in Kolkata. These industries use agricultural products as their raw material and produce rice, jute, paper, silk, and chemicals. Besides, there are modern industries producing medicines, machineries, textiles, etc. Places of tourist interest. There are many interesting places to visit in Kolkata. The Howrah Bridge is one of the main attractions of the city. The Eden Gardens and the stadium adjacent to it is a famous cricket ground. It is also the largest cricket stadium in Asia. The Victoria Memorial is dedicated to the memory of Queen Victoria. The Indian Museum is the largest and the oldest museum of India. Some other interesting places to visit are the Fort William, the Birla Planetarium, the Alipur Zoo, etc. Some famous places of worship like the Kalighat Kali Temple, the Belur Math, St. Paul's Cathedral, the Pareshnath Jain Temple, the Nakhoda Mosque, etc. are situated here. Some other tourist attractions are the Botanical Garden, the Writers' Building, the Dakshineshwar Kali Temple, the Science City, the Nicco Parks, the Shahid Minar, the new Secretariat building, etc. The New Market, Park Street, Hati Bagan Market, Gariyahat Market, Bara Bazaar, etc. are some famous shopping centers of Kolkata. The South City Mall, the City Centre Shopping Mall, the Avni Riverside Shopping Mall, etc. are some other famous shopping centers of the city. Culture. The people of West Bengal are called Bengali and the language they speak is also known as Bengali. However, Kolkata is a metropolitan city and people from almost all states of India live here. As such, Hindi, English and many other languages are also widely spoken here. Rice is the staple food of Kolkata. The people are also fond of fish. In dessert, they love to eat rasagulla, sandesh and sweet curd or mishti doi. The popular street foods include kathi roll, ghugni, jhal mudi, etc. Durga Puja is the greatest festival of West Bengal, which is celebrated with pomp and zeal. The film industry of Kolkata is called Tollywood. The city has a rich culture of art, literature, music and dance. Many famous personalities like Rabindranath Tagore, Swami Vivekanand, etc. were born in Kolkata. It was also the birthplace of Mother Teresa. The people here are great lovers of sports and they love football and cricket. Mind map. Kolkata. Location. Located on the eastern banks of River Hooghly. Bridges. Howrah Bridge and Rabindranath Setu. Transport. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport and trams. Industry. Agriculture. Fishing. Market. Park Street. New Market. Climate. Warm and humid climate. Monuments. Shahid Minar, Victoria Memorial, Indian Museum. Places of worship. Kalighat Kali Temple, Pareshnath Jain Temple, St. Paul's Cathedral.